Hey guys, in this quick video I'm going to demonstrate how to use the Sodastream Terra or any other Sodastream model. First you will need to start with by making sure you have a cylinder connected. On this Terra model the cover just comes out of like this and you can see the cylinder is in place. If you don't know how to do that, check out this video on the top for instructions on how to install the cylinder. Next, we need to put a bottle in place. This is a plastic bottle which fits in the Sodastream Terra. It's the same bottle for other models as well. If you have a glass bottle, that might be slightly different. You might need to rotate the bottle in place. On this Terra model, you just push the bottle up and then push it behind like this. It has a snap lock mechanism. On, for example, the Gaia, you will need to rotate the bottle into place. After you have the bottle and the cylinder in place, you just need to use the button to add CO2 into your water. On all of the Sodastream models, you will have a button or a switch to add CO2. The instructions for this model is to press down for 1 to 2 seconds. Just press it fully down and do that 3 times would be the standard amount, and if you want to add more fizz to your water, you can do it up to 5 times. You could also just hold down the button for a while and get enough fizz, but if you add too much, I think there's a pressure relief mechanism and it won't stay in. If when you're done with adding fizz, just pull the bottle back out like this and you will have your ready fizzed water. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.